Hello, everybody. Welcome to study our course called Native Architecture. In this Lesson 33, we will study the Kubernetes namespace. So in Kubernetes namespace provides a mechanism for isolating groups of resources within a single cluster. Names of resources need to be unique within a namespace. So we can hear there in this slide there are two namespaces. One is namespace pod and the other is the div. So all the resources in one namespace are unique. So we can hear there are the FA, FB, and FC, and in the div namespace there are the div edition of the app. So we can see this namespace-based scoping is applicable only for namespaced objects such as the deployment services, and not for cluster-wide objects such as the storage class nodes and persistent volumes. So now, when to use multiple namespaces? Namespaces are intended for use in environment with many users spread across multiple teams, because if there are so many users for cluster within a few to tens of users, you should not need to create or think about namespace at all. Start using namespace when you need the feature they provide. Okay, so what we can also provide the namespace through the dashboard. So now we input the dashboard URL. So we need to input the token. Okay, here enter token and click sign in. Sorry, now the token is out of time. So now we need to just wait a moment. We to find the user the Kubernetes fundamental to find the token generate. Yes, we can use this command to getting a bearer token. So here and in the terminal. Yes, now we copy this. Yes, we copy this and now and click the sign in. Okay. Yes, we have logged in the Kubernetes dashboards, so we can see here the namespace here under the cluster menu. So we can see there are 5 namespaces. We click the dashboards. So here, this is the namespace. Okay. Now we can. Yes, now there are 2 ways to create the namespace. One is using the command such as the kubectl, and the other is using the YAML configuration files. So now we use the we use the command. So we want to show the namespace in our cluster. We use the kubectl get ns. So it shows there are the list there was a namespace. This column is the name default kubload list, public kubesystem, and the dashboard Kubernetes dashboard, and their status and their active time. So okay, so if we want to create a namespace, we can use the kubectl create ns and follow the namespace name hello. Okay. So we can see here the namespace hello is created. So we can use the kubectl ns to list the namespace. So we can see here the namespace is active and its time is 11 seconds. So if we want to delete the namespace, we can use the kubectl delete ns and hello. Okay. So now we can say that the namespace hello was deleted. All the resources in the namespace will be removed. So we should be cautious that we shouldn't remove the system created namespace. Okay. So and we can use another way. Use the YAML file configuration to create the namespace. So we use the vi hello.yaml and copy this. Okay. So we can hear this is the API version. Its version is value is v1, and this is kind because there are so many types of resources. We create this type is the namespace and the metadata. There are many keys in the metadata, so we should use the name and its value is hello. Hello is the namespace name. Okay, so here we use right hand save and quit. Okay, so we can use this command kubectl apply -f hello. Yes, here. So we can see the hello namespace hello is created and the kubectl get ns. So we can see here the hello namespace is created. So we can also delete this namespace or use the such as the kubectl delete ns and its namespace name. So we can also delete the namespace with the YAML file. So we can use kubectl delete. We just use delete to delete this namespace created by the YAML. So with the same hello.yaml. So here, so we can here the namespace hello was deleted. So we can use the kubectl get ns to show the namespace. Yes, no, indeed the hello namespace is removed. So that's all. Thank you.